Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a review of the hummus, President's Choice Spicy Hummus, I guess you should say. So this is a vegetarian, medium spiciness chickpea dip and spread. I'm going to have it with some naan bread here, and per 2 tablespoons or 30 grams, this has 80 calories, 6 grams of fat, 5 carbohydrates, with 2 of these being fiber, and 2 protein. And we love spicy food here, so I'm excited for this. Ooh, smells real good. So we got some President's Choice non-dippers here. We'll go ahead. Nice and spicy. Ooh. Wow. Not really that spicy, but it's good. That tastes amazing. Slight little kick to it, but wow, it's delicious. Very simple ingredients too. Chickpeas, water, tahini, which is sesame seed paste, canola oil, garlic, concentrated lemon juice, sea salt, citric acid, and spices. So it contains hot chilies. Very natural and delicious. I'm gonna have one more and then give my final review. But I really like this. Get a lot of it there. This is really good. I'd like it if it was a little more spicy, but still, really delicious. Smooth and creamy. The texture was a little bit different than this one, I think, but I like the spiciness a little bit more. I think it's better than a 9, but I don't know if it's quite a 9.5. Like, it's kind of in the middle there. Like, I liked it a little bit more in the garlic, but it wasn't as spicy as I wanted it to be. I really wanted something that's going to burn, but I could probably mix in like a spicy sauce into this or something. I don't know. Still really good though. So like at 9.2, 9.3, so it's around there. Can't really say, but it's delicious. So President's Choice Spicy Hummus. Amazing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.